The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja on Thursday reversed the nullification of the election of Governor Abdullahi Sule of Nasarawa State. The appellate court, in a unanimous decision by a three-member panel of justices, voided the verdict of the Nasarawa State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, which sacked Governor Sule of the All Progressives Congress (APC). In the lead verdict delivered by Justice Uchechukwu Onuemenam, the court held that evidence before it established that the tribunal relied on legally inadmissible evidence to declare the candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), David Ombugado, as the valid winner of the governorship election that held in the state on March 18th.
Well considered. Out of all the judgments that were delivered, I think today we say it was 4-0. The three main appeals and the only cross appeal, all of them went in favor of our clients, which is Engineer A.A. Sule, the Executive Governor of Nasarawa State. So we are happy.
It was a thoroughly delivered judgment. I should take it that this is one of those things that happen. We must all come together and throw away all differences that these elections have caused us, so we can come together as a people to unite as one and develop our state. Our state needs all of us because we all belong there. And unless we come together and work together, we can have a state of our dream.
More so, the appellate court held that the tribunal was in error when it deducted a total of 1,868 votes that were credited to Governor Sule on the premise that overvoting occurred in 4 polling units. It held that the tribunal was wrong in its decision since the petitioners did not provide necessary documents needed to prove overvoting.
It was basically to do with computation of the results after it was duly concluded at the polling units. So it is strange for anybody to expect that you should bring polling unit agents to give evidence and demonstrate documents. Neither of the parties contested the outcome of the elections at the polling units. What was contested was the computation, and this computation are done at the ward levels. And the various ward agents came before the tribunal and gave competent testimony about what took place with respect to the computation. Strangely, INEC, which did the computation, did not bring a witness to dispute the mathematical calculation, which the tribunal also did, utilizing the evidence that was tendered before it. So it is rather strange for this court to come to that determination. I think it was rather a very strange misconception of the case. And happily, this is not the final court in this matter. We already have instructions to test the decisions that have been rendered this afternoon, and we have already swung into action.
The court noted that bimodal voter accreditation system BVAS machines and other electoral documents were merely dumped on the tribunal without any of them demonstrated to show how the overvoting occurred. It faulted the tribunal for summarily dismissing the evidence of witnesses that testified for the APC candidates, describing the action as perverse, adding that none of the witnesses that were called by the PDP and its candidates gave valid evidence that the tribunal could have acted on.